Welcome to KEX, Construction Engineering. Today, we are going to show you the easiest way to construct and install a folding staircase. Have you been looking for how to build a space-saving staircase or an attic ladder for your apartment? This video will teach you how to achieve that, step by step. Here, you can see how smooth this folding ladder works right away. We are going to start the step-by-step construction and installation process, so let's move to site. The first thing you need to do is to measure and determine the floor height of the stair. Also determine the run or the angle of inclination of the ladder. You can measure the hypotenuse, which is the full length of the staircase. Once you have these basic parameters, then you can mark out the rise and tread directly on the measured wood, as shown here. You can use 2x8 or bigger wood size depending on the expected load. Now, let's mark out the angle of inclination so that we can mark out the rises and treads of this stair at once. Ensure this reads exactly 40 degrees as measured. Now, mark the angle and measure the tread. Tread equals 10 inches or 254 millimeters. Riser equals 8 inches or 203 millimeters. Mark all accurately and cut them off. Cut the two sides and place them for coupling as shown. Now, cut the treads to a desired size, 32 inches by 10 inches. Fix and align them accurately. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Use good hinges and screws based on the expected load. Ensure they all move and rotate freely. Screw in properly and don't miss any screw. Now, let's flig this whole frame carefully so that we can fix hinges on the other side of the ladder. Now that we have successfully fixed hinges on both sides, let's mark the points to install the folding stair. Now, let's move it to side for installation. Ensure you hang and brace it properly before screwing. At this stage, use bigger screws, stagger them. Don't fix screws on a straight line to avoid failure. Ensure they are screwed firmly to the wall. You can add more wooden and metal support where necessary to improve safety. Good. Let's fix the last two screws. Now, relax and watch the staircase folding and working smoothly. Good job! We can now move the staircase up and down as we desire. Note, this staircase is not designed to carry heavy load, so it should not be used as the major staircase in a building. Rather, it should be used as an alternative staircase to carry lesser load. This is how to construct and install folding staircase or folding ladder. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply. Thanks. Thanks for watching.